Hi everyone. This is just some small unboxing and testing video of 2WL Find 210 high power AC transformer soldering station, and just I bought it and just I'm unboxing this soldering station. If you see the appearance wise, this box looks very good, and the branding and how this rolling station will be there, and what are the main accessories you can see at the rolling station and rolling rod, and the rolling stand with some accessories you can see. This is the top view of this box, and this is a like full green theme. You can see the rolling station, and the side also same branding will be there, and model, and you can see here clearly 2uul the tool is cool kind of branding, and here you can see the model details as well. Find 210 is the model of this soldering station, and same everything look wise pretty good, and especially if you see that in the box you can see the 220 watts and 210 volts and 120 volts, but I bought it for 220 volts soldering station voltage compatibility. And you can see this is a made in China brand. Okay, now we can see the inside what we get. And the package is very good, they use some foam, and in the transport also you won't get damage kind of thing. And you can see the soldering station, and with the power card. This is power card. This is European standard okay, power card. And this is the main yeah, the weight wise is very tough and solid, and it kind of if you see the appearance wise, this is comes with green and black color. Front is completely black color with the branding and model, and here the options are channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, and up and down arrow, and some kind of settings you can see. And the back side it is having the 3-pin plug, and it is 250 volts fuse also it is there. They are saying like a fuse is 1 amp rating, and power consumption will be 65 watt. Okay, and behind the branding also you can see 2uul Find210. This is the model soldering station, and right side is the on off button is there. And coming to the soldering station, this is the heating element, and this is a soldering iron tip we can see. I go for Find210 compatible big K model. Okay, this is comes like a, we can see. Okay, the package everything is good. It's a solid fiber metal closure. Okay, enclosure, and this is the tip. Sharp, and this is just I bought it from my personal DIY project kind of thing. Okay, and we can insert this one here, heating element. Yeah, that's good. And this is one cable. Really I don't know what the cable purpose, and one is the earthing one we can see here. And this is the what the soldering station stand. Okay, with this some copper wool, and some this one. This is like where some, if you put some water, it will be for cleaning tip and all, for purpose we can use it. This is very silicone rubber I guess. It's very good. It's very solid, and it's a little bit heavy also. The look wise is very good, the stand and everything. And this particular cable, right? So I go through some videos. There's if you connect this one, and it will go to connect the machine, and whenever you connect the tip, then this particular soldering station, it's going to the sleep kind of thing. Okay, purely it is power saving mode, and some kind of protection, and some kind of uh, avoiding some uh, a tip is all tip is like injury kind of thing we can avoid. This is the one, and this is the notch this way. Yeah, this fit perfectly. Yeah, this is solid. The cable wise and looks everything, it's similar to, I think, JBC soldering. Okay, I think they are copied, I guess. But looks wise and everything, it's look like very premium kind of machine. Okay, and we can connect the power card, and we can on the machine, like how how the how is there and everything we can see there, how the performance. Okay, now setup wise, I think now we are good to go. Just I am keeping this box for aside for some time. And even this purpose only, for my DIY project only, I bought this 2uul same thick pad. And if you see this rubber thickness, it is very good. And they're claiming like a it will heat resistant rubber, and it will might be it will more durable also. Yes, one more is like earthing also we can see here. This is the earthing. This is where the like standby or sleep kind of future is available in this support this machine. So that cable we need to connect to the station, and whenever that we on the machine, and if you not use them, whenever we connect we place into the stand, right, device will go to the sleep. It's kind of power optimization. Yes, I think we turn on the machine. We can keep this way at least. Now, yes, right now device is in sleep. Now you can see the same message we can see on the display as well, the sleep message. Whenever we remove the machine from here, soldering rod from here, that's it, machine will learn. It will show right now the real temperature 450 temperature and 5 seconds delay. See now, timer is whenever we connect the rod into the stand, it will wait for 5 seconds, then it again it's going to sleep, and again whenever you remove back, again it's turning on. Okay, so as I said, the display is very cool. Display is very cool. whenever you don't want to this kind of sleep kind of thing, right, you can disconnect the cable from here. That's it. It is always on. That's it. It will never go to sleep. Okay. Just for demo purpose, I disconnect it, but I like this feature. And you can see the temperature. Right now I'm setting 460. Let's see. Yeah, immediately it's showing like a 460. And here channel 1 is there. I think channel 1 they set to 300 centigrade. Let's see how much time it will take. And this is very information display. You can see the soldering tip and channel 1 we press it, then 300 centigrade, the particular channel will set it, and same real temperature also is showing. You can see the power. And now channel 2, it is a 350 centigrade. Again the soldering rod is setting to 350. And when I press the channel 3, again it is going to 400. But my application is required around, let's see, I am going to set 450. Let's see what will happen. That's it. Very cool. Immediately it's setting 450. Okay, now you can see that one. Just I have some work to do. Okay, this particular assembly, yes, I figured out something. Whatever the feds are went bad, we have to remove those things. Now we can try here. At least we can check in this way. And this particular soldering wire stand, also I bought it from akinfotools.com. I think these all the tools whichever you can see, these all the tools I bought it from akinfotools.com. Especially it's available in India. And this particular brand is related to mechanical. You can see that very solid and very quality of the tool. You can see this is tip cleaner, and this is pure aluminum body. It's heavyweight. Okay, the way of you can pull the soldering wire from here. Just I kept it here. You can place all the blades or any tools kind of thing. And okay, let's see how it will work. Yes. Yeah, heating wise is very good. It's very comfortable also in your hands. Yes, that's it. I think it's very good. You can see the power, you can feel it. Okay, this bit also very good, and it very handy also in your hands. Very cushion type feel also we can get it. Thanks everyone, thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye.